Welcome back. A satellite communication link connecting Indian research base Maitri in Antarctica and Ocean Research Center was inaugurated on Tuesday at Vasco. This satellite communication link would enable the scientists to do more research in science and bring more advancement in technology, said Dr. P.S. Goel. Let's watch more.
Dr. P.S. Goel, Chairman of Recruitment and Assessment Center Defense Research and Development Organization, and Dr. Shailesh Naik, Secretary of Ministry of Earth Sciences, and others were present at the inaugural function. This facility has been created by installing a 3-meter C-band antenna enclosed in a ray dome at Maitri and a corresponding 7.2 meters antenna at National Center for Antarctica and Ocean Research at Vasco. Dr. P.S. Goel, interacting with media persons, informed on how to cope up with global warming.
Global warming is taking place. How to live with that warming? Warming will take place because it's not something which one country can control. There are so many, whole world is contributing to the warming. So what happens to the, let us say, our wheat crop, or what happens to our vegetable crops? Apples. Will apples be growing in the same proportion? Will they increase in production? Will they reduce in production? If that happens, should we develop a variety, or should we shift our cultivation towards more northern area of Kashmir? So these are all issues of how to live with that warming.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Shri Shantadurga Paikdev annual Gulalotsav and Chhatrotsav was celebrated in Kunkoli, Pazor Khand with extreme faith and fervour. During the festivity, Palki procession of the deity was also held.
Shri Shantadurga Gulalotsav Pazor Khand, Holi in Goa is being celebrated as Gulalotsav. Goa being rich in heritage and traditions, the festival of Holi is celebrated in different manners in various parts of the state. In Pazor Khand at Kukale, the famous Gulalotsav was celebrated by Kukalkars. Procession of holy umbrella of deity Shantadurga Paikdev was held by the villagers on the occasion. Locally, it is called as Satrotsav. People mark their attendance in large number for the Satrotsav. Beats of traditional dhol tashe adds more vigor to the proceedings of the Gulalotsav. Our reporter from Kukale, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Al Majid coach Tahseen Jabbari has lashed out at the referee following the Syrian club's 1-0 defeat to Dempo Sports Club in the AFC Cup group game at Nehru Stadium, Fatorda on Tuesday.
Randy Martin scored the all-important goal in the 24th minute for Dempo off a free kick from Beto. It was a welcome win for Armando Colaso's boys, who will play their second group game against Al Faisale in Jordan on March 17. Al Majd has started well and asserted themselves on the proceedings. The first half, however, was more or less an even tussle. Dempo defended well in the second half to preserve their slender lead. Al Majd coach Tahseen Jabbari was furious with the referee and said it was the official who decided the result of the game.
Without anything, you see the referee, yeah? I think without the referee, Dembo cannot win. I respect Dembo, but I respect my teams, how play. You see how many fouls we get, how many corners we get. Dembo, how many yellow cards they get, anything. I say that the rules inside, if so I am giving this referee, I am so sorry. He is decided the result of the team. He win the game and giving the game to the team. I am so sorry. Yeah? If so is not football. If the football is so, if the rules of FIFA is so, the referee opposite decided everything.
You do lodging a complaint against
I'm too much angry with these guys.
So will you be lodging a complaint?
Dempo captain Climax Lawrence was pleased with the 3 points.
Boys were very well, so I congratulate for the boys. They will play like a team. It's the first time we won the first match after a long time. The win is come, so it's good for us.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Satan Rodriguez.
Captain of Ports faces another agitation. Now, Sarmanas residents stopped the ferry from Sarmanas to Tonka, demanding 2 ferries. Rang barse aur bhige political leaders. After colourful festival, political leaders show their colours. Decision on Congress candidate in 24 hours. Congress says they are not bothered about BJP-MGP alliance. Decides to contest polls without alliance with NCP. Will there be alliance between BJP and MGP? MGP says it's up to their central committee. Mathani Saldana to contest South Goa Lok Sabha election on UGDP ticket. Radha Rao Gracious tells Prudent Media that UGDP is back. And Al Majid coach Tahseen Jabbari furious with the referee after AFC Cup defeat to Dempo Sports Club. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.